Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a new topic. An important function of MX Excel is round, that is rounding the figure. For example, this is three variable and it has the last number of decimal place. There are many digits in the decimal place, about 10 or 12 decimal place. But I would like to keep it only two decimal or three decimal or one decimal place. Then how to do? In MS Excel, we can easily keep the one decimal place or two decimal place or three decimal place. Just copy and we have to type equal symbol, then round, R-U-N-D, round. Then this is the function round. Please press double click on the round. Then select this value. If we want to take only two decimal, then please type 2 or 3 or 1, just our expectation two decimal place, then type 2 and bracket close, press enter. Okay, now this is only two decimal place. In the main data set 10.055866, but after considering round two decimal place only 10.06. Now please press double click in the plus symbol, just double click, or just press and scroll in the below. Yes, now all are two decimal place. But it is this cell show the value, but in default this is formula. We have to omit formula. How to omit? Just copy, Control C, then right button click and paste special. Then we need only value. Just value. Please press value, then okay. Value, then okay. Now this is only value. There is no formula. Now we may delete the original variable. And using this procedure, we can easily keep the appropriate decimal place, either one decimal place or two decimal place or three decimal place. And this is the easy procedure. Thank you so much to watch this video.